guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial we are going to learn about Datadog.
But before we begin, let me inform you few things about us. DevOps School is one of the leading platforms which offers DevOps, cloud and containers technology training and certification programs for freshers and established professionals who wish to update and consolidate their skills in the dynamic IT scenario. We ensure that the training solutions are delivered by highly experienced domain experts with practical working experience in various verticals. Check out the dates and enroll with us for our upcoming batches. For more info, link and contact details are mentioned in the description below.
Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to do log collection. Okay, that is a log collections of Linux, let's say Linux, or custom file using Datadog agent. Okay, that is a demo number one. Now I'll teach you second one, how to do log collections of Apache using integration. Very important. Okay, please focus on it. So these two parts I'll show you the demo. Based on these two parts, you need to do enable how to do log collections for Windows. Windows agent, each one of you have installed it, right? So that you have to do based on the learnings which are through the demo. So this is a lab, you can say, and this is assignment. Actually lab will be the same thing which I am doing it. So let's get started. So first thing, I would like to show you one slide, and this slide is little uh, you know uh, you have lots of data in onto it, so you need to understand one by one. So first thing, guys, the step number one, can you see my cursor, all of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah. So here, step number one, you have to install the agent, which you did it. No problem. After that, you know what, guys? You have to enable the log agent in a datadog.yaml file. By the way, yesterday I had given you same tasks, how to enable the log. So I hope you have done it. Today I'll show you. And after that, using status command, you can see that whether that agent is collecting the log enable or not. Okay, that is the. So how do you do that? So for that, you can check the log underscore enable true, and then you can validate it. So this is the step number one, then this is the step number two. After that, what you need to do? So as per the discussion which I said, I am going to collect the custom Linux log or custom log using Datadog agent. So for that, I want to create one custom integration. So if you look at this here, there's one directory conf.d and custom underscore log underscore collection.d. You know what? This directory will not be there. You have to create it. That means, as I said, under the conf.d, any directory which is ending with a .d will be read by a Datadog agent. Again, I'm repeating. Under the conf.d, any directory which is ending with .d will be read by Datadog agent, and if there is a file inside that YAML file, that also will be read by agent. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, so if you see that here, I'm creating one directory custom underscore log underscore collection.d, and inside that there's one file which I'm creating conf.yaml. Are you comfortable with it so far?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's do this just again. So here, these are the 4 commands I am going to run one by one. Okay, so see the demo here. So first thing, I'm going to enable the let me do one thing. Let me call everything in one go only. Yeah. So first thing, I'm going to install the agent, which is done. Now I'm going to enable the log in the agent file. So I think I did it, but don't remember. Let me validate. So etc Datadog agent, Datadog dot YAML, enter, and then here log enabled, log underscore enable. So log underscore enabled, enter, logs, I think logs underscore enabled, enter. Now you see that here log enabled is commented. So I'll just quote, delete the comment, and here I'll make it true. So that is a first thing. So after this, save this, restart the system CTL, restart spelling mistake, restart Datadog agent, dog agent, and restart. I'll just check the status. Just give me 2 seconds. Status. I'm just following because I know that it started, but still I'm doing it just to so you should be assured about it. Because if I do multiple times, you'll remember this all this command and will not forget it. Okay. So now do we see the log enabled or not? Let me go and check. Process agent. See guys here. So login agent is active now, and this is the API address for you. So good to go. So are you comfortable so far? Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay, after that, you know what? Because I said the requirement, first thing I said, I'll collect the log of Linux. And then also I said custom files also. So here what I'm doing, I'm creating one custom file, this file. Okay. So can we create a custom file? So for that, let's create where go to the tmp file locations and create. Now guys, here there is one thing which I have not written, and that is the custom file, this file, any file, this should be having the permission to, sorry, permission to which user? I forgot actually. Anyone remember? Hello? Permission, read permission to, anyone remember that username? Um, DD agent, guys. Remember that agent is running with the username called DD agent. Huh? See here, correct now? Yeah. So this user should be having the root permissions. I'm sorry, read permissions to this file. Mind it here. So by the way, by default it's a 644. So you'll have a root permission, read permission. So this is the file. So now what I'm doing, some adding lines to this. Just a simple way to create a lines into this file. So here add it. Okay guys, so this I created. This is a dummy file, custom file, but there is a file under the varlog also which we have existed, so we'll use it. Now what I'll do, I'll create one directory which is called custom log collection. Directory name can be anything by the way, but it should be ending with the .d, which we discussed already. So now let me create a one directory, mkdir and this one, and now I'll go inside this directory, and after that I'll create one file and this file conf.file. And now the question is, what would be the content of it? So now guys, I would like you to look at this one. So what you want to monitor through this configuration file? So I want to monitor logs. Okay, but the what is the type of log? That is the question. What is the type of log? So you know guys, this type of logs can be multiple option. You can have it. For example, let me show you here. Type of log, it can be file. Okay, here you have file, 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 and it can be TCP also. Okay, so here it can be TCP also. Okay, so for time being we are using only file. Where is the path? This is the path. Are we having a path, right path? I think what is the file I created? It was a temp, right? So I created in temp, mind it, temp. And what is the source? So source, I'll keep it a DevOps school. And what is the service? So service is a chat service. So that means this log you are considering is a chat service log. Source is DevOps school, that's the application. Type is file, and this code is YAML file. You have to put it in .conf.yaml. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
So let me do this. I modify. See, every changes you have to do logically modifications. Don't copy paste blindly. In SRE, it will never work like that. Those era has gone when we were doing blind modifications. So here systemctl restart and Datadog hyphen agent enter. And here status, and here running. Now can I validate it? So I think you know that command, but still I'm showing you because to be sure about it. And go slowly up, agent, collector, process agent, and here you see log agent and custom log collections. Do you have any error? So if I see status okay, that means everything is okay. Understood, all of you? That means whatever the file entry we will make it here, it will be agent will read it and send it to the what do you say, Datadog. So can we make it few entries here, and then here one, few more, and okay, sorry, location is wrong. It's this file is in temp location, right? So I have to do the temp. I'm modifying this path. Okay, so temp, I created this file one. Let's look at this file you have or not. More. See 3 lines you have. Can I go and check the status one more time? And should be in few seconds. See, bytes thread 36 and log sent, log processed. 2 lines means 2 lines right now. This is the size. Okay. Can we go and validate the same thing at Datadog? Let's do that. So guys, here, where's the Datadog, by the way? Here it is. And this pop-up should go up. Search for it. Now from last 15 minutes, see here, my 2 line has come. It should come more also. 3 lines. So first line of log, second line, first line of log. Chat service name and host name it has taken from the host. Did you understand, all of you guys? How agent will send the data? All of you? Hello?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Now this I will add more entry actually. So can I design the more entry? Why I'm designing in the notepad, because copy paste will be easier. Else if you make a mistake, YAML mistake here, then it's very difficult. In fact, I even sometimes miss the some of the things. So here there's one more copy I'll do, and this time the type is file, but the path I'll change it. Where? So var log here. So should I change all the files? So here, this is the path, and star dot what dot log. So star dot log, if I say that, it will be read here, and it will be read here, and then it will be read here. Any other logs if you want, you have to specify and stuff like that. So this is done. Okay. So now this is the two things I did it. Can you copy this same in vi conf.yaml? and save it. By the way, I should have changed this one, no? Source Linux and system service. So copy, delete everything, insert, paste it, save it, systemctl, systemctl, restart, Datadog hyphen agent and Datadog agent status. And can we go and check that quickly? See, one is done and second one is also configured. But there is a problem. Did you see that there's a problem actually?
Yes.
What is that? So this boot.log is not able, DD agent is not able to read it. So what I will do, I'll send the permission chmod 7555. This is just a fixing, quick fixing, and restart. No need to restart, I guess it automatically fix this. So where is this? And you see that this is already anyways fixed. This is not fixed so far. I think the next run it will fix. So just wait for a few seconds. Automatically it should fix actually. Yes, this should fix automatically every few seconds. And see, that is fixed, but another file is having problem now. So chmod 755, one more file is there in that. What is that? Let me check. So I fixed for this permission yum.log. Yum.log. I should fix it. Yum.log. Done. So now I think automatically you got fixed with the permission. So remember that part. And here you see it status okay, no problem. And three files is getting tailing out, is reading the and sending the data. Can we validate now at you see? These are all the logs which has come from last 15 minutes, and you can filter which Linux one, right? So this is the Linux log. I'm sorry, this is the Linux log. I mean everything is now Linux. So now this is the logs. Here you have to start searching for it, what you want in the logs. So what I taught you how do you how to do log collection of Linux, that I taught you, and then I taught you how do we custom file collections also. Are you comfortable with it, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, now I am going to teach you how to do the log collections of Apache, but using integrations. So, but you know, guys, you don't have to use this file for the integration for log monitoring. This file. Okay, so basically, what is happening? Datadog has given every integrations log capability. For example, if I go to the apache.d, which you have worked a lot, and here if you go conf.yaml and little scroll down with the patience, don't rush learning process, find out the log collections entries. So with the patience, you can go to the bottom section of it. So many entries you have it. This is your real learnings actually with infrastructure. And here, go to the bottom sections, and here at the bottom sections you will see log section. Here it is, log section. So now here you can activate actually this, you see which log, so you can activate. But the question is, do we have a logs actually in that location? I don't know actually. Nope, I knew that it's not. So where is the log? So this version of Apache, they are storing the logs inside this location, var log http. That's where you need a little bit of knowing the things about the applications. So here you have logs, access log, error logs. So what I need to do, I need to change the path actually. So here this is the one access log, and this is the error log. Now this log you have to configure it in the integration part of it, somewhere at the bottom section. So can I do that in front of you? So let me do this vi and conf. Go to the bottom section. Shortcut, I know, that's why I'm just using it. Now guys, this path, this thing, you have to enable it very carefully. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Basically, this YAML demands a consistent path throughout the file, so that is the reason I'm doing it. So this is the access log, and here this is your error log. And now you did this, and are you comfortable so far, all of you?
Rajesh.
But you know one thing, here service source is also source Apache, service is also Apache, source is also Apache, service is also Apache. I will get confused, so here I'll say source is access, and here I will say source is error, Apache error. So now I'll understand Apache access log, Apache error log. You can add a more tags if you want it, and then save it. Now I'm going to restart the agent. So systemctl, you know that command. And now status command, and look at the here, here custom logs. You don't have to look the custom logs because it's under Apache. Okay, here it is. See here, log agent, but which one? Apache. And here also you have some problem. Did you see that?
Permissions denied.
Permission denied. Yes. So what I'll do, I will go to the ch mode 75 hyphen r. I'm fixing that all problem in that directory. And which one? Var log and httpd. Sent it. Now can we go and check that? You should fix that automatically issues. So see here, it's fixed. Yes. See? No, no, no. It's wait. Ha. Is it fixed? No. It's still not done. Just wait for a few seconds more. Automatically it will be fixed. Okay, so one more time. And yes. See? Okay, status okay. Fixed. So now can I go and check that? See, I have to start the Apache also, right? So systemctl start httpd curl. I'm creating some traffic. Curl localhost, enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is like a browsing. Okay, curl is a wonderful utility. So I just did it, and from last 15 minutes, and search source should be refresh this UI. Apache log, you see that I saw that it was coming. So source, and where's the source, which is access log, I want to see, and error log you have 0, no, 35 you have. Okay, so now you see that these all are Apache logs actually. Are you understanding what I'm trying to do that? All of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'll give you task. So this you have to do, whatever I did, you have to do that anyways. So that means you have to enable the custom logs, and then you have to enable the Linux logs, and then you have to enable the Apache logs, validate it. All commands, you know that very well. From last 4 days, we are running the same command. And after that, this is the opportunity I'm giving you. Okay. So you have a Windows agent, and I know that all of you are guru in the Windows machine at least. So this, you have to do that. Lab, I showed you the demo, but this I want you to drive yourself. Now I want to know, how can you enable Windows agent, so all the Windows event logs, the one which I showed you, event logs, should go to the Datadog, and then you can search for some of the things like who changed the password, wrong login, wrong password. You might have tried wrong password, right? Each one of you. You might have tried at least once in a day for some reason. So that I want you to detect that. All of you understood the assignment?
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan, and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, if you would like to access the remaining videos of this playlist of 50 plus more tools which are coming under DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE, DataOps, GitOps, etc. Kindly become our channel members by clicking on the joining button. You would have access to 100s of playlists and 1000s of videos lifetime access with this membership. Enjoy.